Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will continue our learning on Python. And in this video, we will create a function and also a plot. So we will do this Python coding in the Google Colab. So you can open your Google Colab. And now we are inside the Google Colab. I will maximize a little bit and I can rename our workplace into making a function and a plot. All right. So we can do the coding here and you can follow me. First, we will input or import the library that we will use. In this case, we type in import numpy. We will use numpy and we will call it as np. All right. We will use numpy and then we will also use matplotlib, matplotlib because we will do plotting here dot pyplot. And usually we will call it plt. All right, first thing first, and then we can click this one, run cell, and we will wait. Initialization. All right, already connected. And we make a new line here. I will make X. I will use numpy np dot linspace. Okay, linspace. So you can see the syntax. All right, I will make linspace starting from 1 to 50 and then with 49 points. Okay, this is the definition of my X. Enter X. I will call the X. So I will click this run cell. All right, so this is the array, the X array. I create this array using the linspace starting from 1. You can see this number 1 to 50 with 49 points. All right, so this is my X array. And then we create a new line of code, define polynomial. All right, polynomial of X. Okay, I will do a polynomial function using the X. And then I will return. I will call, this is the function, 2 times X to the power, for example, of 3. Okay, so this is our function, 2 times X to the power of 3. And then, for example, minus 5 times X to the power of 2. And then plus 8 times X plus 17, for example. All right. Enter. Go to the left side. Okay. And then I will create Y equals to this polynomial of X, which is defined here. Maximize again. Okay, and then I will plot this function. To plot, I will use this matplotlib.pyplot, which I call plt. So I type in plt.scatter. I will create a scatter plot. This is the syntax. Scatter within the parentheses X, Y. Okay, you can see this parameters X, Y, scalar or array, like, shape, and yeah, you can see this manual, this explanation. And then I will show the plot. plt.show. This is the syntax. All right, I think we are okay. So now we can run. Yep, Very easy and very fast. This is our plot, which is constructed from this function. Okay. And of course, you can change, for example, 2 times x to the power of 0.3 minus 5 times x to the power of, for example, 0.2, to make it complicated, 8 times x, let's check it out, plus 0.3 or 0.5, whatever, run. Yeah, it seems a linear plot. And of course, if we make 2 times x, of course, it is a linear plot, right? What about to the power of this one? Okay, x to the power of 0. This one. Yeah, you know what I mean, right? So, okay. So we use NumPy, we use Matplotlib, we create the linspace, we create X arrays using the linspace, we define the polynomial function, we create the function, and then we make function or we make equation using Y, which is using the polynomial of X, and then we create the scatter plot. And maybe lastly, I will create another plot. So we click this one. We can copy this code, but instead of scatter, I will use plot instead. With this syntax, I will create a line, a curved line, okay, or a curve rather than dots. So we can, again, yeah, you can see this is the plot using the dots, and this is using the curve or the line. All right, so that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope the video is useful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next Python videos. Thank you.